First question. Learning is best defined as A. Change caused by growth, B. Temporary change in behavior, C. Permanent change in behavior due to experience, or D. Change due to maturation. Correct answer. C. Permanent change in behavior due to experience. Learning by doing is promoted by A. Pavlov, B. Watson, C. John Dewey, D. Skinner. Correct answer, C. John Dewey. The operant conditioning theory was given by A. Pavlov, B. Skinner, C. Kohler, or D. Brunner. Correct answer, B. Skinner. Insight learning is associated with A. Kohler, B. Pavlov, C. Thorndike, D. Skinner. Correct answer, A. Kohler. The law of effect was proposed by A. Pavlov, B. Thorndike, C. Brunner, or D. Bandura. Correct answer, B. Thorndike. Who proposed the stages of cognitive development? A. Vygotsky, B. Piaget, C. Brunner, D. Bandura. Correct answer, B. Piaget. ZPD, zone of proximal development, is a concept given by A. Pavlov, B. Vygotsky, C. Skinner, or D. Dewey. Correct answer, B. Vygotsky. Observational learning is related to A. Brunner, B. Bandura, C. Skinner, D. Piaget. Correct answer, B. Bandura. Scaffolding is associated with who? A. Brunner, B. Piaget, C. Thorndike, or D. Vygotsky. Correct answer, A. Brunner. The process of remembering, understanding, and using information is A. Cognition, B. Emotion, C. Motivation, D. Behaviorism. Correct answer, A. Cognition. Intelligence is primarily measured through A. SQ, B. EQ, C. IQ, D. CQ. Correct answer, C. IQ. Which type of thinking is essential for creativity? A. Convergent thinking, B. Divergent thinking, C. Logical thinking, D. Critical thinking. Answer B. Divergent thinking. Fear, anger, and joy are examples of A. Cognitive emotions, B. Social emotions, C. Primary emotions, or D. Acquired emotions. Correct answer, C. Primary emotions. A child learns most effectively through A. Memorization, B. Punishment, C. Active participation, or D. Imitation only. Correct answer, C. Active participation. According to Piaget, the pre-operational stage is from A. Birth to 2 years, B. 2 to 7 years, C. 7 to 11 years, or D. 11 years and above. Two to 7 years. Motivation is blank. A. Internal drive that energizes behavior, B. Punishment, C. Memory skill, or D. Teaching strategy. Correct answer, A. Internal drive that energizes behavior. The main purpose of reinforcement is A. To weaken behavior, B. To strengthen behavior, C. To punish behavior, D. To ignore behavior. Correct answer, B. To strengthen behavior. Individual differences among learners are mostly due to A. Only heredity, B. Only environment, C. Both heredity and environment, D. Teacher's influence only. Correct answer, C. Both heredity and environment. Schema is defined as A. Learning disorder, B. Cognitive framework, C. Emotional reaction, or D. Memory failure. Correct answer, B. Cognitive framework. A teacher who understands child psychology should C. Teach according to learners' needs,